pre-Valentine's look, y'all. I would have actually filmed this as a makeup, you know, tutorial. But I ended up going on live on Facebook for the very first time. And because I haven't went on live at all. I wish I probably would have did live on here, but except for Scratch the Music. But I did it on Facebook because I did want to play some music. I played some music and Facebook flagged my video for one song. I was so pissed, and now the video is not posted. So I said, well, I'm not going to let this look go to waste. I wanted to come on here, show you love is this look, and give you the details about it and about what I use. So as far as my brows, y'all, I went on a website. If you're interested in the website that I went on, just DM me. I will leave, or email me, and I will give you the details. I will send you the link for where I got this from, because I do not want to link it down below in the description box. But I got 2 of these. These are the Anastasia Beverly Hills 2-in-1 eyebrow definers, and I got 2 in the number 2. Actually, this is like a very, very dark brown. It's not black, and as you can see, these are my brows, and these are the bomb. I'm just going to tell y'all, I paid for both of these. I paid $7, y'all, and y'all can see the packaging. I'm going to take it out so you can see what it actually looks like. If I can get it open. I have to use this because I'm trying not to rip my box. But it looks like this. And one end you have your spoolie, and then the opposite end is your actual eyebrow definer. I used this for the first time today, and it is the bomb. Like I said, if you're interested in purchasing it, or where I got it from, just email me and I'll send you the link. So, did my brows. I concealed with my LA Pro Girl concealer in creamy beige. I then set my eyelids with the same type of concealer. I have to get porcelain because I like the porcelain better than the creamy beige when it comes to setting my eyelids. Why do I want to say then? Sorry, y'all, the countryness. But then I set my lids with the City Color Flawless Loose Powder. I have mixed this with the banana powder as well, and I do love the concoction that I made and how it sets my lids. And those are my eyelids. I went for a halo eye. I think I'm going to start doing more halo eyes on my channel because I just love the way they look. They're like so like sleek and sexy. I actually like a halo eye better than I like a smoky eye. So yeah. So to achieve this eye look, I used 2 palettes. I used the NYX Happy Birthday palette, and this is my first time using this. And then I used my custom Coastal Scents palette. So in the NYX Happy Birthday palette, I used that orangey color right there to get right. Well, no. First, I went into this color as my brow bone highlight. Then I went into the orangey color as my under brow bone highlight. Then I went into my Coastal Scents palette, and I dipped into this red color here to go underneath, to go right underneath where I applied the kind of orangey tannish color underneath my brow bone. So I did that. Then I also went into my Coastal. If you hear any noise in the background, it's Babe playing his game. But I went on both sides of the where the halo would begin. I went on both sides with black, and the black is from Coastal Scents. Then in the middle, I took a dab of I took a dab of the Kat Von D, no, I didn't. I took the dab of the Fit Me concealer, and this is in Sand Sable. And I dabbed that right in the center. And then I went over top of that with the same brow bone color right there. So that's how I achieve this eye look. I love it, love it, love it. Then these lashes. These are the lashes that I will be coming out with very, very soon. Once I do it, you lovers will know. I will advertise it somewhere on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I love these lashes. These are like my favorite lashes. As far as blush, I used my Milani Luminoso blush. I love that blush. As far as highlight, I first went in with the Maybelline Chrome. Then over top of that, I went in with Hustler Baby. And then underneath my brows as well, I went under that with Mean Money. And that's the Fenty highlighter. Y'all know that. But to contour, bring color back to my face, I used my Too Faced Little Black Book of Bronzers. Y'all already know I swear by that. I don't use anything else. Then to set my face, I use my Handy Dandy e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. I'm loving that. I haven't used anything recently but that to set my face. What else? I'm trying to think. Okay, as far as my lips, with my lips, I did 2 different lip liners. I did Rouge and I did K, those 2 colors. And then I, did Rouge first, and then I did K. And then I followed in the middle with Chi, which is this gorgeous nude. This is my favorite nude color. And then over top of that, I applied this Ultra Glossy here. I love the way this look, and this is in Contessa. So that's how I achieved this beautiful. I love the way this look came out, y'all. So that's how I achieved this beautiful pre-Valentine's Day halo eye look. What else did I want to say? This wig I'm getting tongue-tied. This wig review, this unboxing and try on, will be up tomorrow. So yeah, this the deets on this wig will be up tomorrow. I love it. It's so pretty. So yeah, but thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so upset. I wish I would have went with my gut instinct and came on here and did an actual tutorial on this look, but I will have another tutorial coming up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. It may go up the day after tomorrow. I'm undecided, but yeah, I hope you lovers have a wonderful pre-Valentine's night and a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I will see you babes in the next video. Bye, y'all.